Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your main source of income is gone. No salary, no paycheck, no backup plan. What would happen? For most people, that situation would be terrifying. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart, but because they have built their entire financial life around a single source of income. And that's dangerous. The world is changing faster than ever. Jobs are changing, technology is changing, opportunities are changing. And in 2026, having just one source of income is one of the biggest financial risks you can take. That's why today, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that beginners can start with little or no money. Not get-rich-quick schemes, not scams, real opportunities that can grow into meaningful income streams. And make sure you stay until the end because the 5th side hustle has created more life-changing opportunities than most people realize. Before we continue, if you're getting value from this video and you're new to SmartCash Lab, take a second to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. Your support helps us create more practical money-making, wealth-building, and financial freedom content just for you. Now let's get back to the video. Again, let me tell you something important. Most successful people didn't become successful because they suddenly found a magical opportunity. They became successful because they started small, very small. One skill, one client, one video, one sale, one step at a time. Many people are waiting for a breakthrough, but wealth is usually built through small, consistent actions repeated over time. The side hustle you start today could completely change your life in the next few years, but only if you start. Number 5, online freelancing. Let's begin with freelancing. Freelancing simply means offering a skill in exchange for payment. And the amazing thing is, businesses all over the world need help every single day. They need video editors, graphic designers, writers, social media managers, virtual assistants. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to become useful. Many beginners make their first income online by helping someone solve a problem. And today, learning these skills has never been easier. There are thousands of free tutorials available online. Think about this. One skill learned today could pay you for years. That's the power of freelancing. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending something valuable to someone. They buy it, and you get paid. That's affiliate marketing. Companies reward people who help them find customers. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need your own product, you don't need inventory, you don't need a warehouse, you simply connect people with solutions. The key is trust. People buy from people they trust. That's why building an audience or sharing valuable information can become incredibly powerful over time. Most beginners underestimate how big affiliate marketing can become, but many online businesses started exactly this way. Number 3, digital products. This one is exciting because you create something once and potentially sell it repeatedly. Examples include ebooks, templates, guides, checklists, digital planners, online resources. The internet allows knowledge to become income. If you know how to solve a problem, organize information, or teach something useful, you already have the foundation for a digital product. The best part? No shipping, no physical inventory, no complicated logistics, just value. And value creates opportunity. Number 2, AI-assisted services. Artificial intelligence is creating enormous opportunities, but here's what many people misunderstand. The money isn't in simply using AI. The money is in using AI to solve real problems. People are earning income by creating content faster, writing marketing materials, designing presentations, managing business tasks, helping companies become more productive. The winners in 2026 won't be people who fear technology. The winners will be people who learn how to use it effectively. Technology has always rewarded adaptation. This generation is no different. Number 1, faceless content creation. And now the number 1 side hustle, faceless content creation. Why? Because it combines multiple income opportunities into one. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, you don't need a massive team. You can create content around finance, motivation, business, technology, AI, education. And over time, your audience can generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, brand partnerships. The most powerful asset in today's world is attention. When you build an audience, you create leverage, and leverage creates opportunity. This is why content creation has become one of the most transformational side hustles available today. Let me leave you with this. The biggest difference between people who change their lives and people who stay stuck is not talent. It's not luck. It's not intelligence. It's action. Most people will watch videos about success. Few will take action. Most people will dream. Few will build. Most people will wait for the perfect moment. Few will create it. The side hustle that changes your life probably won't start as something impressive. It will start as a small decision, a decision to begin, a decision to learn, a decision to stay consistent. 1 year from now, you'll either be grateful that you started today or you'll wish you had. If you're serious about building multiple income streams and creating financial freedom, comment below, "I'm starting today." And don't forget to subscribe to SmartCash Lab, where we turn simple financial ideas into practical steps toward wealth, because your future is built by what you do next.